Periodicity refers to the recurring trends and patterns observed in the physical and chemical properties of the elements in the periodic table. These patterns arise due to the periodic nature of the electron configuration of the elements. The periodic table is arranged in rows called periods and columns called groups. The period number indicates the number of electron shells present in the atoms of the elements in that row, while the group number indicates the number of valence electrons in the atoms of the elements in that column. The periodicity of the properties of the periodic table can be explained by the following factors. Atomic size. The atomic size of elements decreases from left to right across a period due to an increase in the effective nuclear charge, number of protons in the nucleus, which attracts the electrons more strongly towards the nucleus. However, the atomic size increases down a group due to the addition of new electron shells. Ionization energy. The ionization energy, the energy required to remove an electron from an atom, generally increases from left to right across a period and decreases down a group. This is due to the increase in effective nuclear charge, which makes it more difficult to remove electrons from the atoms. The trend is not always strictly followed because of exceptions such as the noble gases, which have higher ionization energies due to their full valence shells. Electronegativity. Electronegativity is the measure of the ability of an atom to attract electrons towards itself. It increases from left to right across a period and decreases down a group. This is due to the increase in effective nuclear charge and the decrease in atomic size. Metallic character. The metallic character, the tendency of an atom to lose electrons and form positive ions, increases down a group and decreases from left to right across a period. This is because the effective nuclear charge increases from left to right, making it more difficult for the atoms to lose electrons, while the addition of new electron shells down a group makes it easier for the atoms to lose electrons. Chemical reactivity. The chemical reactivity of elements increases down a group and decreases from left to right across a period. This is due to the increase in metallic character down a group and the decrease in atomic size and metallic character from left to right across a period. In conclusion, the periodicity of the properties of the periodic table arises due to the recurring trends in the electron configuration of the elements. These trends can be used to predict the properties of elements and their chemical behavior.